पेपर 2 है हमारे सामने, मई जून 23 का पेपर 2-1 वेरिएंट 2, यानी कि लेट्स सी इसकी पहली केस स्टडी हम देखते हैं उसमें से क्या हमने आंसर जनरेट किए। Identify one barrier to the entrepreneurship: lack of finance. Just write that word, lack of finance, that's enough. इससे ज़्यादा डिटेल लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है। 1 out of 1. Explain the term partnership. Partnership is a business formed by two or more partners to carry out the business together with the shared capital investment and usually shared responsibilities. GR is a partnership formed by three teachers using 5,000 bank overdraft. Very good application. You will score full marks in that. Which they should pay back because they can risk losing personal assets due to unlimited liability. Good show of knowledge. 3 out of 3. Okay, G. Calculation is correct. Calculate market share 3% ही थी, I remember. By revenue calculate करनी थी. Write the formula, substitute values in that, find out the final value. Shabash. 3 out of 3. Okay, explain one factor that may influence the supply of GR's product. One factor that may affect the GR's ability to supply digital learning resources would be the cost of production. बिल्कुल सही. Since all of these owners and teachers, they may not have the enough knowledge to how they operate interactive digital resources on website, they would result in them hiring IT department from time to time, which is going to reduce the supply because reason लिखनी चाहिए थी, since they may not be able to employ full-time website developers due to the having. हाँ सही है, reason दी है, शाबाश, 3 out of 3. वैसे मैंने कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन में जब मैंने क्लासरूम में क्वेश्चन कराया था तो बच्चों को लिखवाया था कि रिसोर्सेज जो हैं इनके डिजिटल, जाहिर है वो पास्ट पेपर्स हैं या वो बुक्स हैं और वो टीचर्स ही उनको लिख रहे होंगे, तो फिर टीचर्स जो उनको कंपाइल कर रहे हैं या लिख रहे हैं उनकी सैलरीज या उनका रिवॉर्ड भी जो है कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन का पार्ट हो सकते हैं. बट दिस इज अ गुड आंसर. इसमें मैं कोई अमेंडमेंट नहीं कर रहा, जस्ट गिविंग अनदर सजेशन. Analyze one advantage and one disadvantage to GR of using a bank OD, bank overdraft. 8 नंबर का सवाल है. Bank overdraft is when an individual or a business, bank overdraft is a source of finance, is when नहीं लिखो, or a business withdraws more money uh, uh, than what they have in their account up to the agreed limit set by the bank. बिल्कुल सही. An advantage of using it as a source of finance could be uh, that it is more easier to obtain as compared to a loan. बिल्कुल सही. Okay, since educational resources market seems to be saturated with expert material having the highest market share by 60%. ये आपने खुद ही कैलकुलेट किया, बहुत अच्छा किया, वहाँ डेटा गिवन था. The bank would have reluctant in giving a loan due to the possibility of GR not being able to survive in the market or having enough revenue to pay the loan back to with interest. The three teachers would also have to be present their personal assets as collateral in the case of GRs going bankrupt, because a partnership does not have limited liability. It can easily timed, it can really time taking and difficult to obtain a loan to start a business, which proves bank overdraft to be a quicker and easier option. थोड़ा सा अगर आप अपनी इस पूरे पैराग्राफ को पढ़ें तो यू विल रियलाइज कि इट्स ड्रिफ्टिंग फ्रॉम द मेन एडवांटेज जो आपने लिखा है कि वो जब आप देखें एडवांटेज यूजिंग कुड बी दैट इट्स मोर इजियर टू ऑब्टेन. तो ऑल्दो यू हैव जनरेटेड अ वेरी गुड एग्जांपल जब आपने उनके बात की, वो जो उनके रिसोर्स पर्सन हैं उन सब की, लेकिन स्टिल कहीं कहीं जाके फ्रॉम द पैराग्राफ जो हम कंप्लीटली लिख रहे हैं हम डी फोकस हो रहे हैं अपने बेसिक पॉइंट से. One advantage and one disadvantage था. Disadvantage क्या? However, bank usually have the limit and overdraft in which they won't charge interest, and the amount taken above would be charged with the agreed interest rate. The overdraft of $5,000 they have taken may not fall in that limit, which means that the expense is going to be increased. Their cash flow also poor because of the free membership that a lot of teachers took advantage of. Good show of application, shabash, but did not take the regular subscriptions, shabash. They need to spend 1,500 on the newspaper advertisement and combined with the cost of overdraft. This is what we call perfect application, which reduce the GR's profit margins, which can affect their ability to pay back this debt. It is also used for only short-term cash flow problems, and GR would need to look for alternative methods to finance the cost of advertisement and improve cash flows. Good, shabash. You will score 7 out of 8 in that. only because 1 mark I've deducted from the first analysis जो कि थोड़ा सा defocus हुआ था. Let's talk about the 12 marks question. Evaluate whether the price or promotion is the most important element of GR's marketing mix. A perfect 12 marks question, लेकिन थोड़ा सा ये detailed है ज़्यादा क्योंकि उसमें दो चीज़ों के बारे में उसने पूछा है. Generally ask about the one. Marketing mix are the four key decisions on the product price promotion that must be taken to enable the effective marketing of the product. Deciding an effective equilibrium price is important to GR because price is mainly going to determine the demand of their educational resource. Since CM has 71% of the total market and its customers, it's important for GR to set a price which would help capture the customers of EM, good show of knowledge and application, and threaten their market share of 60%. ये रेवेन्यू एक रेवेन्यू के हिसाब से शायद आपने कैलकुलेट किया और एक सिंपली. अच्छा ठीक है. Penetration pricing seem to have worked for GR because they were able to have 250 subscription in the first 6 months as they can keep on using the pricing methods. They have a loyal customer base who's post positive reviews and then they try increasing their prices. सही है. However, it's important to note that the low prices they have set is enough to cover the cost of the making resources and maintaining the website, because if they aren't able to cover the cost and make the profit, they may risk going bankrupt and lose the personal assets. Shabash, evaluation भी हो गई. Promotion also important since the increase in the customer awareness. यहाँ पे एग्जामिनर ने देखा आपसे खुद करवाया ना कि दो चीजों का एनालिसिस करना है, तो फिर आपने किया है. वो 12 नंबर का जो P1 का सवाल था उसमें भी यही करना था, लेकिन वहां हमने दोनों बातें इन दी फेवर लिख के और साथ ही उनकी वैल्यूएशन करनी थी, तो वहां एक हो गया. तो इस ऐसी गलतियां पेपर में हमने फिर नहीं करनी. Promotion also important since it increases the customer awareness about their product and attract potential customers that can soon become loyal to GR. Choosing the right promotional method is important because the previous method of giving free 1 month subscription resulted in a loss due to consumer enjoying the resources and not taking the regular subscription. Advertisement and newspaper may work for GR because EM accounts for about 75% of the advertisement in the newspaper and they have highest market share. The newspaper also has 500,000 reads which can help GR to wider audience. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूंगा कि इस एनालिसिस के अंदर जो आपने किया, आप बताएं कि उसको किस किस्म की प्रमोशन करनी चाहिए. जैसे कि उसको अपने कंटेंट के बारे में एडवर्टाइज करना चाहिए. जिन टीचर्स ने रिसोर्सेज क्रिएट किए हैं या पास पेपर में जो उसने यूनिक सेलिंग पॉइंट्स क्रिएट किए हैं उसके बारे में उसको बताना चाहिए. However, GR would only pay 16% of the amount of the EM's pays, and their advertised can be easily overshadowed by EM because they are paying more, so they may get the front page. थोड़ा सा इसको और भी एक्सप्लेन करें और इसके साथ लिखें अभी एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ दैट EM की सेल ज्यादा ही रहेंगी, उनका मार्केट शेयर ज्यादा ही रहेगा और इनका कम हो जाएगा. तो इवैल्यूएशन को भी थोड़ा डेवलप करें. In conclusion, both marketing mix are important to the success of GR, as setting up the right price is the crucial because GR is competing with the well-known and trusted competitor. Even if they use the right medium of the promotion, they may not be able to attract sales. ये जो आपने trusted competitor लिखा है, this is good show of application. They may not be able to attract sales if the price is set too high. However, other marketing mix such as the place is also important because finding a place where you have the most target audience available is important to increase the consumer awareness and revenue. यहाँ प्लेस लिखे हैं लेकिन उसको रिलेट करें आप कि कितना एक्सेसिबल है उनकी वेबसाइट, या क्या उन्होंने एप्लीकेशन बनाने की तरफ थोड़ी सी उन्होंने की है तवज्जो. दे आर इंक्लाइन टुवर्ड दैट और नॉट, बिकॉज एप्लीकेशन इज मोर एक्सेसिबल. तो प्लेस को तो एक्सेसिबिलिटी कन्वीनियंस से रिलेट करना होता है ना, तो उसके साथ रिलेट करें. The teacher may be young and not use newspaper, which suggests that they should use social media or other digital resources to advertise on. This concludes that every marketing mix is important and each one decision should be made carefully and increase the chances of success. इस evaluation में एक अभी बात और होनी चाहिए थी और वो ये कि उनकी product भी बड़ी important है ना, जो कि resources हैं वो create कर रहे हैं. और वो जो product है वो ये वो कितनी ज्यादा वेल डेवलप्ड है, कितनी वेल थॉट है, उनके जो एजुकेशनल रिसोर्सेज हैं वो कितने ज्यादा क्रिएटिव हैं, कितना ज्यादा जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको हेल्प करेंगे टू टू गेन द न्यू नॉलेज, एंड उन रिसोर्सेज को यूज कितना वो इफेक्टिवली कर सकेंगे, ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट था। तो ये थोड़ा सा वीकर क्वेश्चन था एज कम्पेयर टू द क्वेश्चंस यू डू। आई विल गिव यू 9 out of 12 इन दैट क्वेश्चन टू यू। तो अब आप इसके केस स्टडी 1 के मार्क्स टोटल कर सकती हैं।